Hello, teacher. My name is Maria Gianela Jurado. I am 21 years old. I am studying technology in radiology and diagnostic images. Machu Picchu. The seven wonders of the world are beautiful, but I like Machu Picchu because it is in Peru. It is near Nariño. Machu Picchu means old mountain. The Machu Picchu is visiting for people of around the world. The purpose is breathe pure air because it has vegetation. The place is a very spiritual because it was a sacred place. It is also an architectural gem. There is three templos: Templo del Sol, Templo de las Tres Ventanas y Templo Principal. And water channels. This is an amazing and beautiful place, but Huayna Picchu is the most interesting site. Thank you.